What up, gamers? This is TV at SMB coming at you. Um, Somber occasion today. It ain't good, guys. This ain't good. Everything is all fucked up, man. This is bad. This is not good. So we got our CPI data this morning, folks, and who'd have guessed? Every American who has to go to the store and buy anything could have told you inflation wasn't coming down. And sure enough, not only was it not coming down, it was going up. It was accelerating. Yay! So here we got the CPI data. All items, May 2022, up 1% month over month. 1% in a month. Everything you buy. And that's what they tell you. This is what they give you. This is the bullshit that they cook up for us. They tell you it's 1%. Everyone knows it's more than that. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. Food 1.2%. Food at home 1.4%. Used cars were coming down for 3 months in a row. Coming down, down, down. And now it's back up 1.8%. Like, my god. Shocking. Shocking things we're seeing here. Ladies and gents. I'm gonna pour over some of the standouts. I mean, dairy's up 3% month over month. So we're looking at Starbucks and Dutch Bros. They're getting hammered by that. Airline fares up another 12.6% in a month. Very nice, very nice. What other standout? I mean, and then energy, obviously, fuel oil up 17% in a month. Energy as a whole up 4%. So that's not even part of the CPI data. This is all just that doesn't even factor into the main 8.6% number. But I mean, just eggs are up 5% in a month. Eggs 5% in a month. I mean, it's sad, man. This is brutal. This ain't good. And obviously, what do we think the markets are doing today? Oh, they're going straight down. Nasdaq's down 3%, SPY's down. So we're in the makings of probably our worst red day all year, our new worst red day all year. We're heading there. Our Nvidia's not looking good. Yeah, we got a lot of Nvidia, and that is... I'm almost to the point where I should sell it. But I don't know. Knowing this market, it just plays these games, man. I can't be sure of anything. So an AMD just broke out of its bear flag. Nvidia is just going straight back down. I mean, this was the big move everyone was getting ready for, right? We're getting consolidation. We're getting this stupid consolidation, which of course now I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. This looks like a head and shoulders, but anyways, just consolidating, and dump. And then now I'm back to the point where I'm like, why was I ever? I was actually bullish. I actually bought it this past week. I bought more AMD, dude. I bought more AMD. Like, I thought, like, why would I ever think anything would go up in this market? Why would I do that? Like, that's where I'm back at. I've done this how many times now? How many times do I have to learn this lesson? I just don't. It's so frustrating. How many times do I have to, I don't know what it is. Like, if I ever think about buying things, I just need to go to the store and look at the prices of things, or drive by a gas station and be like, oh yeah, why would stocks go up now? Why would anything go up? Like, Jesus. How stupid could I be? The price of everything is going up. Terrible, man. What is this? Video discs and other media are up 7%. Okay. Interesting. There's airline fares. I mean, it's shocking. Like, are you serious? Airline fares they've gone up 50. Wait, what is this? This is like 60% in the past 4 months. Clearly because of the fuel, but delivery services up another 2.5%. Household energy up 4%. So this is all the stuff that just hammers the consumers. And that's the real fear behind this recession, is that the death of the middle class consumer, which we're not seeing complete signs of yet. We're seeing people's savings accounts are getting emptied out. So that's never good. But people aren't losing jobs yet, or yet. They might not ever start losing jobs, but we're just entering a period of stagflation, stagnating economy with inflation. So it's bad. It's bad. So yeah, that's. I'm glad I sold my Baba. So I did. I didn't make a video yesterday. I was busy otherwise. But I took profits on Baba. So check this out. Go to our nifty little profit loss thing. Ooh man, we got some bad ones. Year to date, only 255. Oh no, wait. So yeah, I think Baba's our most profitable name. Hell yeah, dude. Not bad at all. So I'm glad I sold when I did. This is what happened yesterday. I mean, and I'm mostly upset because I didn't see this very obvious, like, move that it took. Like, it tried to fill its gap, so I was hesitant to sell. And I'm watching, and I see this consolidation we're having. Just look at how simple this was. You draw the trend line, boom, break it, enter a put right there. You would have gotten just so much downside. So I mainly just got out and I was like, all right, I'm done with it. I'm not touching it. This could be some games it's playing because it did just have so much momentum yesterday. You never really expect that much more momentum to the downside, but holy moly, it sold off. And this is where my original stop loss is going to be. So I sold like right here when it broke VWAP. So I took a nice profit. I didn't let it bleed as much as it really did before I saw enough to just be like, yep, I'll just take my profits. So that was a nice move. That was the winner of the week. But otherwise, what else did I do? I just so and then this is how stupid I am. This is just how insane I am. I'm like, I saw how much it bled off yesterday, so we got the bleed off yesterday, and I'm thinking, all right, we bled into CPI. Sometimes this can be how it is with certain stocks or just certain things in general. Sometimes when you sell off into a certain event that's coming up, it'll do the opposite once that news has come. And I thought, hey, why not? Just buy a little QQQ call. If I'm right, it goes up a lot. If I'm wrong, it's a small loss. Oh, fuck. Bless you. Ugh. And yeah, it was a small loss. It was the latter. Um, and we gapped down bad. Oh my god. You can see. Let's see where that CPI data came out. Show extending hours. Oh yeah, there it is. 5:30 on the dot. Dump. I mean, it dumped from 300 clear down to 294. So it dumped 2%, like drop of a hat instantly. Um, Shocking. Shocking. Not really shocking considering the data, but just like shocking that I thought we could ever possibly go up. Man, this is bad. This is bad, man. Yeah, that's the state of things, folks. So and I want to know who the hell are they paying? Who is an economist that gets paid to make up this data and like come up with estimates? Like their estimates have been off every fucking time. I swear, dude. They're not even close. Like what? Was there even an estimate to begin with? I thought their estimate was something like, yeah, economists were expecting an 8.3 increase. So that would have been the same from April. But it's like, gas prices have gone up way more in May than they did in April. So I'm just like, who is making this? It's such a crock of shit. And then, not even to consider the fact of how it's just a big lie. Like uh, the whole CPI data in general, like it's not even close. Like obviously it's more than 1%. Everything is just freaking skyrocketing in price. So that's just a joke. But yeah, that's where we at, folks. So expect more downside. I mean, next week we could just get a freaking crazy rally. Who knows in this market really? Um, that just like scorches all the puts because you know everyone and their mom's loading up on puts today, and I mean I don't know. My intuition tells me to be like when everyone's doing something, usually it's too obvious, so do the opposite. But now it's like, why would anything go up right now? Like it's stupid to think to be like have that contrarian mindset of like, oh, all of retail is bearish now, better go bullish. When it's like, why would anything go up? So I know it's very grim, but it's true. It's like why would anything go up right now? Who's buying the stocks right now? I could not imagine. So we're putting in our we got one green week, and now we're putting in our second red week in a row. Big ol' red week. SPY down 5% on the week. Um, I think the Nasdaq is also down about 5%. So at least the Nasdaq is only bleeding as bad as the S&P now. It's kind of even with that. But jeez, dude, look at this. I guess I should have bought a SPY put. Oh my god. It just keeps going straight down. Look how oversold it is, though. Everything's so oversold now. Like, it's gotta bounce. Black Friday. Everything's on sale, folks. Deals, deals, deals. Everything's on sale. Black Friday, baby. Oh, God, this market. It would just be so easy to be a bear. Like, it would have been so easy, too. I could have just sold all of my Nvidia, or just like bought a far output like these past 8 days. Like, of course, after 8 days of consolidation, we're getting ready for a move straight down. Like, that's why I told a friend of mine recently. I said, in a bull market, when you see consolidation, you're watching for the move up. In a bear market, when you see consolidation, you watch for the move down. And that is exactly, I mean, really, this is how easy it would have been. This is just how simple it should have been for me. Just draw a price level right there at the bottom of that candle. We got a gap to fill below that. When it crosses that candle, just buy a put. Just buy a Nasdaq put, and then you get a 4% move to the downside on Nasdaq just on that. That's how simple it would have been. So I gotta complicate everything. Yep, now VIX is skyrocketing too. VIX is going towards 30. So happy Friday, everyone. Summer. It's raining. Well, it is pouring outside, so that's actually appropriate. But yeah, that's all I got. I mean, I guess I could do the like little recap on what I did today. I mean, I sold this call for $60, lost 60 or 50 on 50, and now I grabbed a Nvidia put that I sold for and made about what I lost on that. So I'm basically at zero on the day. So could be worse. I mean, that's zero for my day trades. God, I wish I was at zero for everything else. Holy moly, Qualcomm. And this is how like bad of a bull market this is, or bad of a bull market. How bad of a bear market. Like this is what I saw in Qualcomm. I saw this big falling wedge, and this is like such a bullish reversal pattern. But look at this. This is as much bullish reversing as we got. We go up. We go. We go up $2, then come back down, then go up to 146, and now we're just back in that wedge. Like, it's so freaking sad, man. It's so sad. Like any other market, you see that pattern, and you're like, damn, that's looking nice. This market, it's just like, oh, of course, that's not gonna hold up. Us little bulls, we got our little reversal patterns. We see like an inverse head and shoulders, and we're like, woo, inverse head and shoulders. I'm sure it's gonna turn around and go up. It's fucking stupid. Why would I think that? It's so dumb. It's so dumb, dude. So now I'm looking at moves to the down, more further downside, because now it looks like obvious that we're next leg lower for the Nasdaq, which would mean down past 280. For SPY, that would be down past 380. And now I'm just looking for the best downside setup. So AMD just broke out of this nice little ascending channel, which it looks like it's actually recovering right now. But we broke support down there. That's a nice setup to the downside. Amazon, oh god, poor Amazon. I should have shorted Amazon the second I saw it ripping into the split. And I don't know why, like, I think just the fear of if I go hard on the short side and I'm wrong, I'm just gonna feel like so stupid. But I mean, I feel more. I feel idiotic when I think anything could possibly go up. So I think I'd rather be wrong trying to go short when it's like this terrible climate we're in, and it's like, well, things. I mean, it wasn't a bad call to think things would go down, but instead of just like buying shit and then just sitting here and being like, that's a lot of red. When I should just be like loaded up on shorts. I mean, this should be an 800 green day. Like, why would I not just go short? It's so simple. That's what the smart people are doing. They've been loading up puts these last 8 days. Not me. Not me. And you can see this. Look at how many puts are being bought on the Nasdaq at the ask. 200, half a million at the ask. We got 750,000 an hour into the market. 750,000 shares or puts have been traded. Same with SPY, I'm sure. 1.5 million. So God help us all.